guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, this is Ayesha, Ayesha's Bride. Today I'm going to review and I'll do a little demo on this product. This is a one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I have watched few tutorial about this product and I was amazed. I just can't wait to finally use it myself. So let me talk about this product first. This is a brush and a blow dryer. It dries and styles your hair at the same time, and this is not heavy. It has three options: cool, low and high. And it has the regular bristle and board bristle inside of it. Because of that, you get really good grip, and you need it for the long and textured hair. So let's just try.
Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me.
I'm gonna do it on low because I think high is too hot. It's gonna burn your skin. So let's just try with the low first. To use both hands if you don't have long and thick hair. If you have, like my hair, they are not very long and thick, so you can just use it with one. I can easily use it with one hand.
Come back to me. 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 Come back to me.
Okay guys, I'm done and I am impressed. My hair feels so good. When you use this blow dryer, it makes your hair super shiny and smooth. And the best part is this is budget friendly. This is under $100, which is incredible. This is very good for day-to-day great looking hair, and I love it. All thumbs up for this product, and I would definitely recommend this. Thank you for watching.
Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me.